Hi, I am Kasturi Sutar. First, I introduce to our project. Project name is Employee Online Leave Management System. Project members Sutar Kasturi, Shinde Sundarani, Bondge Namrata, Mahatugre Snehal and Nalge Sanjana. Our project guide name is Mrs. Chavan PP. सॉफ्टवेअर रिक्वायरमेंट या प्रोजेक्टसाठी आम्ही फ्रंट एंडसाठी PHP ही लँग्वेज यूज केले. बॅक एंडसाठी MySQL डेटाबेस यूज केला आहे. सर्वर झॅम्प सर्वर यूज केला आहे आणि एडिटरसाठी सबलाईन टेक्स्ट 3 यूज केलं आहे. ॲडव्हान्टेजेस ॲक्युरेट अँड प्रिसेन्स इन्फॉर्मेशन, creates employee availability and visibility. It costs efficient, calculate the number of leave on monthly yearly basis. About project, an online leave management system is a web-based management system. A leave management system is an all-in-one platform that handles all employees modules, admin and employee ही दोन या प्रोजेक्टची मॉड्यूल आहेत. सो स्टार्ट द आवर प्रोजेक्ट.
Welcome. Our project name is Employee Leave Management System. This project using PHP and MySQL. First, open the XAMPP server. Then next, open the browser. And fill the local address. This is Employee Leave Management System admin login page. First, fill the username and password. And sign in. Suppose admin changing the password. Step 1, current password. Step 2, new password. Then confirm password and change. Successfully password change. Then next, open the dashboard. This is dashboard screen. In this screen, total employees, list of departments, list of leave type. First, department. There are two types: add department and manage department. This is manage department. In manage department, two department is added: computer department and civil department, and ITIA. For example, at the department, department name, mechanical department. Department short name, ME. Department code. And add. Successfully add department. Then next, leave type.
Hello guys, I am Sandhya Shinde here to explain our project part that is leave type. Manage leave type. Screen open please. Here we have added three types of leaves. If you want below are the list of leaves we found from the internet, that is casual leave, medical leave, marriage leave. If you want add a leave, we need use option add leave type. Add leave type. Then the leave type is, for example, marriage leave. Sorry, loss of pay leave. Then the description is there are causes. There are causes. When an employee has in hosted all leave but till required time for sub existing. Then the add leave and message describe in screen. Successfully leave type add successfully. Then the leave manage मध्ये जरा जा कस्तुरी. Leave typeच्या leave manage मध्ये. So if you want, if we there is an option available from the delete leave or add leave, then the message display in screen.
Sanjana, start.
Now I am going to explain employee subsection. Once we click on employee, we will get two options. One is add employee and second is manage employee. So basically, if we click on add employee, it will open add employee form, so that we have to fill the information such as employee code must be unique. Add a add email address, add password, department, city, date of birth, once we fill the information, we need to click on button. After clicking on button, it will show message as an employee record added successfully. Once we add employee, if we want to update that employee, then we click on manage employee. Then we click on manage employee. After that, it will show information of the employee which are already added in front of every record. There are two option symbol, that one is edition and second is deletion. Here is show the status of the employee. Then there is department, registration date and full name. If we want to delete one employee, then we click on marks. Okay. Then employee will be deleted. Then we'll click on employee, we will get to log out form, then employee section.
Welcome to the employee leave management system. This is a employee login page. Fill the employee ID and password. Then sign in. Change the password. If you change the password, then first step current password. Fill the current password. And next, new password. And then change. Snell, start कर.
Leave. Apply for leave. Here employee for apply can leave form here. Select the leave type. Casual leave. From what date to what date the leave is wanted to employee. Description. Give the reason of leave and apply for the leave. And press apply. Leave applied successfully. Leave history. User can see leave history in leave history. Is here you can see the employee details and leave details. This is all about part of the employee leave management system. Here employee sign out by using this button. Now employee password recovery. Now admin also can recover his password by using this link. Employee ID. Email ID. Now change your password.
Then next, open the employee admin page. Then next, admin, open the dashboard. Mm, employee apply the leave. Then admin approve or not. View. Click on a view. Take action. choose your option, approve or not. Not approve. Yes. Submit. Then next. Status is changed, not approved. Then next, leave management. Sanjana, start kar.
Now I am going to explain next section, which is leave management. It contains subsections such as leave management. All leave, there are types, all leaves, pending leaves, approved leaves, and not approved leaves. If we click on leave section, all leave section, we click on all leave section, it will show all the leave which are applied by employee. There will show the leave type, pending date, and status. There are 3 status waiting for approval, approved and not approved. If we click on pending leaves, it will show all the pending leaves. There is a no pending leaves because of not a pending leaves, not apply pending leaves. Next section is approved leaves. Then we click on approved leaves. There will show the approved leaves, the status, and we have to view details. There are leave details of employee. There shows the approved status. Then next section is not approved leaves. There is not approved leaves. There are showed the not approved leaves. Then view details. There are shows the details of employee and status of leave. There are not status is not approved. Then next and the last one section is sign out section. If we click on that employee will get the logout from the employee section.
Then next.
Next
and
section sign out.
The next section and last section, employee check approve, leave approve or not. First, log in the employee. And sign in. leave check in leave history, not leave, apply leave, apply leave, and sign out. Then next, admin apply the leave, admin take the leave, then next view details, take action and submit. Approve leave, sign out, and then next check employee, check in leave in leave history, and leave is approved. This is process of our project, and this project save the time and available in mobile and laptop. Thank you.